I'm Carla. I'm a values-based interior designer and stylist, and I am here to help you elevate your home. And today I want to talk about what I feel is the most neglected room in our households, and actually is our master bedrooms. In over a decade of doing clients' homes, and even my own home, I will say, it's the master bedroom that we just kind of forget about, like shut the door, nobody sees. But the thing is, you are seeing it every night when you go to bed. So I just want to give you a few simple tips of how you can elevate that room without doing like a full redo. So before starting this or any project, you need to know your personal style. So if you haven't done that, link below to my free design style quiz. So the first thing I want you to think about in the bedroom is how you want it to feel. So do you want a place that, and I'm gonna kind of guess because it's what most people want, calm, soothing, relaxing, comforting, cozy, warm, welcoming. Those are usually the words I hear. If that is you, then you really want to think about the colors you're adding to that room. So what are those colors going to be? They're going to be whites, they're going to be creams, they're going to be blues, they're going to be taupes, they're going to be warm colors. Even if they are blues, there's still going to be a blue that reminds you of like the ocean, reminds you of the air. So I want you to take a look around, and if that's something you want to create, how you want to feel, and you've got loud printed pattern and reds and bright colors, you may want to first change something like that. Now, on the other hand, if you want your bedroom to feel vibrant and colorful and energetic, then by all means do that. So first question is for yourself, how do you want it to feel? After that, there's a few simple things you can do. One is rugs. Now, a lot of people, even if you have a rug on the floor, I think adding a really thin, simple rug that kind of goes halfway under the bed makes a huge difference. It really will ground the space. It really will make the room warmer and give you a jumping off point in colors. If you have a hardwood floor, definitely. If you have a hardwood floor and you don't have a rug in there, you definitely need to put a rug. Second thing is bedding. So I am a real fan of neutral bedding. Again, if you want to go color crazy, you can, and you can still get neutral bedding and go color crazy. But I think it's a real investment to make that will pay off. I love a linen bedding. I know not everybody does because of the wrinkles, but trust me, I think that's just part of the look. So think about changing your bedding. Also, just adding a couple pillows. Now I know there's that debate of the throw pillows to a bed, but just adding one lumbar or two decorative pillows and one lumbar in front is gonna make a huge difference. I next want you to think about behind your bed. This is why sometimes you go into a bedroom and you're like, oh, it just doesn't feel put together or cohesive. And maybe you need a piece of art. A lot of times you've got this big wall and you could wallpaper, but if you want to do something more simple, I say just put like a nice piece of art behind your bed and something personal for you. Second thing is the side tables. Now I'm not saying you have to go get new side tables, but make sure you have side tables and just add a few touches that make you feel good. One being lighting. You should have a lamp that when you sit in bed, the bottom of the shade should reach your shoulder. That is like a rule of thumb. It'll just create a nice lighting atmosphere. It's nice for reading. I really think investing in lighting, whether that be dimmer switches for an overhead light, whether that be lamp lighting, is really key. I also think candles, having candlelit. I've started doing that at night just to kind of wind myself down. Instead of having the lights on, having candles, having a little tray by your bed, having fresh flowers. These little touches are gonna make a huge difference. You don't have to do a full renovation, but it'll make you feel better. So again, just to recap for your bedroom, think about how you wanna feel, add those colors in of what you wanna feel. Updating your bedding is a great way, updating just a few pillows or even a throw blanket, and then think about the other items beside. Clear the clutter. If you need to, get a basket where you can clear the clutter and add things like a tray, fresh flowers, a candle, and lighting is key too. So I hope that helps in just looking at your bedroom and adding a few tips. If you like this video, please like it. I hope you are subscribed, and remember to take my free design style quiz before starting any project. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.